I am Dr. Patrick Isaacs. I am a chiropractor, and mobile was always my dream. So I'm a completely mobile chiropractor. There's about 1 out of 40 in the nation that are. I show up to work on families, athletes, pregnant moms, everybody in between. When I started my mobile practice, I was in a house call Facebook group, and it was a common question and answer post of what are the best tables to use. Thuli always came up, and I loved right away the look. I loved that there was a mixture of wood and very good looking leather. I decided to give that one a shot, and once I started using it, I noticed how sturdy it was, and it was light enough to be moved around. I picked up my Thuli table in summer of 2019, and that is 5 years on the dot, and it has held up so well. I bring it in for some routine maintenance or call for a part just to switch out a screw every once in a while, maybe some new leather here and there, but I'm still rocking the same Thuli table from 5 years ago, the Thuli Sport, and it's held up so well. The portability of the table is pretty solid. I've found it extremely movable, and I move it in and out of houses 6 to 8 times a day. Most times I just carry the table in because we're talking about 20 steps from a driveway into a house. But sometimes on a longer walk to an office, maybe a 3rd floor or something, I do use the cart. I flip it onto the cart and just walk it in, and it's easy breezy like a carry-on at an airport. Setup and tear down for me is about 20 seconds, so it never adds much time. I did try other tables. I tried 2 to 3 other tables. One thing that I noticed is without a middle leg, I never felt secure. I always felt some anxiety about adjusting somebody, especially drop over nothing. And so Thuli's middle leg and the sturdiness of the 6 legs involved have always given me a lot of trust, and I've never had a problem with the patient, never had any issue. The other tables I tried, I never felt confident to bring into every person. And so there were some that were just a little bit lighter, but they would sacrifice safety, and that wasn't worth it. I would recommend Thuli tables to other chiropractors right away and first. Thuli stands out because of their quality, mainly because I've tested it for 5 years, and here I am with the same table. There's also so much craftsmanship in here, and there's innovation and a good team. Their customer service is always easy to reach, and they're always helpful.